menu for today, fried bola. Later gawa natin ito ng sauce.
For the complete list of ingredients, you can find it at the description of this vlog. Mix your garlic, carrots, and also the onions to your ground pork or ground chicken. The next step is an improvisation since meron kaming pickle relish, kaya lalagyan namin ng kaunti lang naman para hindi siya umasim. And now, we will mix all the ingredients. And now we move to our next ingredients. So breadcrumbs, egg, flour, and oil, cooking oil. So you may add 2 eggs in our mixture. Ayan. Paghaluin mabuti. Then we gradually add flour. Last naman, lagyan din natin ng breadcrumbs para maging crunchy ang ating bola. Ayan. Pagkatapos, i-mix ulit. At ngayon naman ay huhulma na tayo ng bola. So, I prefer to use an exact 1 tablespoon na measuring spoon. Ito. So, ayan. Okay. Gamitin ang dalawang kamay para ma-form talaga ng circle yung bola. And I put cooking oil in my hand para hindi siya dumikit. Pagkatapos niyan, okay, so isa-submerge natin dito sa beaten egg. Okay, para naman dumikit yung flour. And then later on, lagyan din natin siya ng breadcrumbs. So ayan, dinadagdagan ko lang yung bola to make sure na marami-rami ang meat niya. Okay. And the last step is the breadcrumbs. So, and then we fry it in a cooking oil. Syempre, tinutusok-tusok ko siya ng fork to make sure na lutong-luto yung gitna. And ayan, that's the finished product na dapat golden brown. Pero we're not done yet. Now it's time to make our sweet and sour sauce. Kailangan lang natin ng panggisa at ganito yung carrots ko pala. Dinidesign ko siya using a knife. Now, gigisahin natin ang onion, ang ahos, at saka, syempre, yung ating carrots. So, unang ihalo yung ating tomato sauce. Now, kapag nag-simmer na, you can also add the tidbits gradually. You can also add the syrup later on. And then, paghaluin na yan. Takpan muna, and once it simmers, okay, buksan. And paghaluin nyo na yung fried bola nyo sa ating sweet and sour sauce. And then, of course, we mix. Gently ha. After ilang minuto, siguraduhin na soak na lahat ng ating bola sa ating sauce. And voila! It's ready to serve!
And this is it, our finished product. So, this is my chicken meatballs with sweet and sour sauce. So, let's try it. Thank you for watching.